गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस, आज मेरा बर्थडे है। Guys, this is so cute. I did not expect this at all. This is so cute. Okay. मुझे लगा कोई होगा, कोई नहीं है. I was sad, but then I saw this. Let's open this. This is adorable. Hi baby, you get to do what you love the most. It's a treasure hunt. Find us and have a great birthday. And your birthday gift. Okay guys, game has started. बाप रे बाप, I was not ready for this. ये तो पहनेंगे ही भाई. पहला क्लू क्या है? Find us. Find us. कहाँ छुपे हैं भाई? एक सेकंड इसमें चेक करता हूँ. इसमें और तो कुछ नहीं. ओ है. Look for the dude with the दूध. हाँ? दूध तो फ्रिज में होता है. Oh. What? That's so cute. What is this? अरे बाप रे. This is the most adorable fellow, bro. Oh. People plus coffee plus nose. With the smell of tea. Where do you smell the tea? हाँ? ये लोग हैं. कहाँ जाते हैं लोग जहाँ पर चाय और नाक, I guess smell. Where can you smell the tea? बाहर जाना पड़ेगा क्या? Oh. पहले मैं घर में देख लेता हूँ, फिर जाके बाहर देखूंगा. पता चले बाहर निकल गया, मैं लोग मेरे को इधर ही रख रहे हैं. This is so much fun. मैं बाहर चलता हूँ. ये लोग यहाँ पे, घर पे तो कोई है नहीं. What an adventure this is. चाय की कॉफी ये तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा मेरे को. उधर पास में एक कॉफी शॉप थी जहाँ पे हम गए थे. वो कॉफी शॉप में हो सकते हैं. This is so much fun. क्या बर्थडे गिफ्ट नहीं चाहिए कुछ. I have the best family. This is the cutest thing यार. योगी, आयुष्मान, मॉम, डैड, समीक्षा. This is so sweet of them to do. सबने इतनी प्रिपरेशन की है. I don't need anything else. This is already more than enough. But I will take the gift. I'm so excited. I just hope मैं गलत जगह पे नहीं जा रहा. वहाँ पे एक एरो है, एक मुच्छी के साथ है, स्टिक मैन, और एक लग रहा है बच्चा है. तो मुझे उससे एक सेकंड के लगा स्कूल, बट स्कूल नहीं होगा, बिकॉज स्कूल में चाय और नाक का क्या लेना देना. इट वुड जस्ट मोस्ट लाइकली मीन कॉफी शॉप. नहीं भाई, यहाँ पर तो कोई नहीं है. अब तो पता नहीं है. आई थिंक मेरे को कॉल करके पूछना पड़ा. मैं कम्प्लीटली गलत जगह पे तो नहीं चले गया. मेरे को बस एक चीज कंफर्म करनी है कि घर के बाहर निकलना है कि घर के अंदर ही है. घर के बाहर निकलना है. सब कुछ घर के बाहर ही है. You have to reach us. Okay. अरे भाई. तूने गैस किया, लेकिन क्या है जगह? पहली जगह नहीं. Just read the thing for me. What is the drawing? What I can see is mustache plus tea plus nose. No. Think more. How do you make coffee? What do you do actually when you make coffee? What is it? Do the French press. You always tell me na, babe. Let it. I don't know. What do you do to coffee? Just put it in something. एक है ब्रांड नेस्कैफे और दूसरा ब्रांड क्या है? Starbucks. No, more. Instant coffee का. Nescafe and brew. Yes. What is the last picture? I understood it. What? Yeah. Okay, got the first clue. Guys, ये तो बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट है यार. मैंने इनको बोला था कि बहुत डिफिकल्ट होने वाला है, बट तुम लोग ना मानते नहीं पापा की बात. ओके, बट आगे भी डिफिकल्ट होने वाले हैं. जस्ट सेइंग. करना ही पड़ा फोन कॉल, बिकॉज मैं जिंदगी में नहीं सोच पाता ये क्या है. बेसिकली ये जो आदमी है ये पापा है, और फिर ये है ब्रू, एंड देन दिस इज नोज. सो एक जगह है, उस दिन गए थे, पापा ब्रूनोज मम्मा उसको कहती थी, जो एक्चुअली इसका नाम है बार ब्रूनोज. ओके, हैव टू गो टू बार ब्रूनो. मेरे को अभी टैक्सी लेनी पड़ेगी. ओके, डन. हियर वी कम.
हम थोड़ा लेट हो गए पहुंचने के लिए, तो हम भाग रहे हैं अपने स्टॉप पे. याइक्स. तो अपने स्पॉट पे पहुंच गया हूं, ऑक्सफोर्ड सर्कस. आरी का इंतजार है बस. He's gonna love this. I'm just so excited to see his reaction.
What's up, Dad? हाँ जी पापा.
कैसा हूँ मैं? कैसे लग रहा हूँ मैं?
बहुत मस्त.
क्या पहना है मैंने?
You want a beanie? bee. Okay. Okay, honey bee. Third Man Cafe. Records. Third Man Records.
Yes.
Okay, that's this one I got. This one I got quickly. Okay, it's right here. Huh? Okay.
Okay, let's go.
थर्ड मैन वो जगह थी जहाँ पे हम उस दिन गए थे, जहाँ पे मैंने गिटार बजाया था जब ट्रेन कैंसिल हो गई थी. आई हैव नो आइडिया व्हाट्स गोइंग टू हैपन.
मुझे कार्टून बना के रखा है.
Love it. Love it. So we have reached Third Man Records. मैं वीडियो ले रहा था, मैंने देखा समीक्षा. ये क्या चल रहा है भाई? हेलो.
Hi,
Oh,
that's your next clue.
I see something. Where will you find an educated me?
कार कहाँ है?
Oh,
कार घुमा दिया.
where will you find an educated me? Let's get a close up of this.
Okay, Joker card. And where will you find an educated me?
An educated joker. A joker is a jester.
More important, where?
Where will you find an educated Joker?
At a school, at a university.
No. Where do you find a joker?
Circus. पता चले मेरे को एक भी क्लू ना मिले, मैं इतना निकम्मा निकला कि लोग मेरी पूरी फैमिली बोले कि इसके साथ करना ही नहीं चाहिए था ट्रेजर. Oxford Circus.
Yeah!
Oxford Circus. Got it.
So next,
That's not too far from here. Good planning, guys. Lovely. I love that I'm meeting one family member here and there.
on our way now.
Oh, okay. This is a fully planned organization, guys. Anybody needs any party planning, please contact my family. Oxford Circus is. अच्छा, आपने थर्ड मैन रेकॉर्ड वालों को बताया नहीं क्या करने वाले हो ये? वो बेचारा ऐसे देख रहे थे कि इनको कुछ खरीदना है कि नहीं खरीदना है. I'm ready to run. This is so exciting.
Oh yeah, hello! Hi!
हम पहुंच गए हैं ऑक्सफोर्ड सर्कस. ऑक्सफोर्ड सर्कस. I saw him. Yes. What is up?
कैसा चल रहा है?
Must. What is this?
This is your next clue.
Hey! Find my Ohana.
And your other clue is
Oh, Disney store.
Disney and
Datney, Disney. Love it. Love
I
it.
told you guys he'll understand. I told you know it.
Lovely. 100% I would know that. Disney, Datney. Love it. And when I saw Find My Ohana only, I was like, I have to go to the Disney store to get a stitch.
I'm so excited. Disney store ढूंढो.
मेरा इंटरनेट
मैं
इतना
लंच की रिजर्वेशन कैंसिल कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि हम बहुत लेट हो चुके हैं.
But it's worth it.
Worth it.
भूख तो लगी नहीं मुझे अभी तक. Just running on excitement and adrenaline. Okay, that way.
Yeah. अभी योगी वहाँ पर वेट कर रही है आरी का.
So happy. Guys, मैं 30 साल का हो गया हूँ यार. I'm 30. और सबसे चाइल्डिश बर्थडे तो यही है. I love it. ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. We have reached not Datney, Disney. ये क्या कर दिया?
मजा आ रहा है बस ये लो अपना नेक्स्ट
अरे रिच सेल्फ रिचेस. सेल्फ रिचेस.
Hi there, welcome.
तुम निकल लो, तुम भाग जाओ इस तरह से.
दूर क्यों भाग गया? Guys, how good is Yogita looking?
Yeah.
Love this outfit.
Even your outfit, Ari.
Thank you, she picked it. Look at this.
Birthday boy.
Yes, I knew you would put that badge on.
Selfridges पहुंच गए almost.
ये दिखाई होंगी.
Okay, you have to give your पिछला वाला तो देना पड़ेगा आपको.
Oh, the back. Sorry, I just wanted to put
ये लाए कहाँ से तुम लोग यार? ये क्या है भाई?
हमको बताया कि नहीं हमारे.
It's really hard to miss her right now. It's really hard to miss her, Ari.
My God, ये झटाक.
Jhatak.
Hello.
Hello.
I believe I must present you with this.
Oh yes. And then because you have presented me with what sign is this?
Wait, what?
This is from Papa and me.
I've always wanted an envelope. Thank you.
बेटा खोल के देख लो फाड़ दो
प्यार से Suspense, guys. That's too much, guys. That's too much. You're 30th, wow. You're 30th. I love you.
Love you too, darling. And this?
That's it.
What is
नहीं
it?
दिखा सकता आप.
हाँ, नहीं दिखा सकता.
ये किसी को नहीं दिखाना चाहिए. हो गया? I'm happy.
I love this.
Okay, and now
I'm
There's
kidding.
more?
Yeah.
Yes.
there is another clue. Sorry, ये टेप मैंने बहुत गड़बड़ लगाया है, गंदा सा जल्दी में लगाया है. So see it this way. Read it this way. What is this?
London. It's a guitar. One second. There's a guitar pointing to 152nd degree southeast.
Yes.
Me or
So
map.
check your compass.
Okay. To this.
ये मैं सेफली अपने पर्स में रख रही हूँ.
अरे तुम फोकस करो ना.
Where did you get?
Yogi disappeared. Where did she go?
What the hell?
When did she leave?
What the hell happened?
What the hell did it happen?
Okay, guys. Now I'm getting like 152 is here.
Yes, 152 southeast.
That's it.
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
152 southeast. We go.
Okay, this is the most amazingly planned thing. What is happening?
All thanks to Yogi. Yogi has planned the whole thing. And Aishman and
सब
Samisha.
मैंने किया बेटा सब मैंने किया तो याद रखना 30th बर्थडे मेरे
पापा,
किया सब कुछ।
आपको पता भी नहीं बाकी सब क्लूज क्या है.
मेरे को लग ही रहा था ये ऐश्वर्या और योगी का ही काम है because
And Sam. So let's go
मैं
southeast.
सब लोगों को बाद में हक दूंगा सही से पहले ये खत्म कर लेते हैं
Always keep your nose up, Ari.
What is this? And what is? But look at the.
It's a Martin Stewart
But look at the stocking.
talking big
For you, A.
The A is you, Ari.
A for Ari.
सब cry
Aww.
You can cry after 5 minutes also. Enter.
okay okay
This is your gift.
A ukulele.
You love it?
तो हम सब ने सोचा कि तुम नॉर्मल गिटार वगैरह तो हमेशा ही प्ले करते हैं ना.
I know. This is something you can always carry.
I like this also
Play?
yeah a little bit आरी कब बोलते हैं हम नाचेंगे गाएंगे
On a 1 is to 100, how would you rate this gift?
I love it. This is
How much would you rate it? Quickly.
how can I rate a gift? All gifts.
But just,
No, I love this. I really want all these tiny things to bring.
but what if?
This
What
was,
if?
What if this is XL?
इसका एक्सेल कर दो.
Snap.
This is your Martin guitar.
He's not to say that. Just kidding. What? I've always wanted a Martin.
You always
How do you know?
You know?
How did you know?
You know?
How did you know?
Open it!
Oh, my, I'm not prepared for this.
Yeah.
You have to sit down.
Ari.
What are you say? How did you know?
Karan helped me.
Karan Kabir.
करण और कबीर इसके बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं और दोनों म्यूजिशियंस हैं.
We'll have to video call him. I just hope you like it. I mean, you can.
If Karan and Kabir have told you, I am 1000% sure I'll take it. They know much more than me about these things. So, yeah. खोल हमें भी देखना है मैं तो देखा नहीं अभी तक. Oh, look at this case. Beautiful, huh? Oh, wow. Oh, that's a beauty. Look at the wood. What a good-looking guitar. Oh, this is perfect. Oh, smooth, man.
Look at the expressions.
How expensive is this? Are you mad?
Shut up.
This is a very. I can tell how expensive it is. Y'all are hearing music. I'm hearing money. just hear how resonant this is.
Oh wow, it's so bright and warm.
And the resonance, huh? It stays for a long time.
Gosh.
Bro, I love you. This is amazing. You have no idea the research I have done for this guitar.
Research.
You say you have no idea the
What are you saying?
Okay, we'll call you. Okay.
Bro, I love you.
You don't want to miss the expression on your face. Thank you, bye.
How does it feel in the hand?
Dude, it's insane.
Okay, this is Triple O 15M. We wanted to get you 15ME, but there's a place to put that thing, so we can put like a disc in it, so wo automatically.
Like to make it electronic. Dude, it's okay. It doesn't have to be.
So okay. So the idea was you can choose, even though you're here, you can still choose whichever guitar you want.
choose.
This is the one we thought you would like.
हमें लगा
What
ये
Karan said.
पसंद आएगा तेरे को.
हाँ. लेकिन if you want to choose something else, you still can.
Anything.
What are you doing right now?
ये सारा योगी का है. ये जो है ना, ये सब योगी ने किया.
Please take care of this, but I need to take care of this. Extremely.
Round trolley shot. Round trolley shot.
All of us are crying now.
What is happening?
What the hell is it happening?
It's supposed to be a happy birthday. This is so happy that we are now all sad that we are so happy.
रो मत.
No, mat Pushpa. He hates tears.
Thank you, baby. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, everyone.
It was planned so beautifully, Yogi.
You killed it. This is perfect.
All of us.
Thank you, guys. Okay, I need to see that again.
Okay, you choose. See if you like this. If you like something else, you can choose whatever you
No,
want.
I'm definitely gonna get a Martin, whatever it is.
Yeah.
But you can choose whichever
You
one.
can choose which Martin you want.
This is also just research. Not like you're not playing it yourself. Na? So whatever you feel like you want to play.
No, I can't change this. This is what y'all got me with so much love. This is. No, I don't want to. Like, what?
You don't want to change it?
I don't even want to try anything else.
Babe, you have to. We have told them that we have reserved this, but we've not like. It's we can change it.
This is beautiful. Okay, I'll try all the Martins.
Okay.
Give me
Go for it.
Half an hour.
Yeah,
Okay,
take your time.
yes,
Take your
we
time.
have kept that time for you, so you can choose and pick a time.
I will show you how excited I am on the guitar.
This is the level of excitement, guys.
लंदन की ट्रिप अब सफल हुई है. जब मैंने आपके हाथ में यूकेलेले दिया तो आपको कैसा लगा?
मैंने बोला ये तो बहुत अच्छा गिफ्ट है. I was like,
That was a prank. Ukulele was a prank.
मम्मी आप लाइक इतना करवा के यूकेलेले दे दिया.
How can I be upset though? All of this is so. I said and मैंने जब घर से बाहर निकला था मैंने तभी बोल दिया था. I said मेरे को कोई गिफ्ट नहीं चाहिए. कोई ये कर रहा है मेरे लिए more than enough. This is so much fun.
So he's seen this one, but I of course want him to try other guitars.
I just like to try the other Martins if I can.
Yeah, any particular model?
Just the smaller ones, whichever ones there are smaller ones. The slight, like the size that's in the 001.
Size, so let me just have a quick. So basically there's enough.
कुछ secret planning चल रही है यहाँ पर. What was he asking you?
It's a lot more expensive. I'm like, it's fine.
Huh? You like the other one?
This is too bright. I like that one.
It's very tinny.
No, I prefer the sound also of that one.
That's how, मेरे को मेरे गिटार ऐसे ही अच्छे लगते हैं.
ठीक है.
I like.
Don't think about money.
No, not at all. I also don't like the way this looks in comparison to that. That one looks beautiful.
No, I agree.
It's alright.
Do you want to try more? Any of the other Martins? Should I ask her?
No, it's not that.
But Karan,
You were supposed to try everything. That is the idea. I've just reserved this one. I'm not bought.
I'm trying to do it.
This is your life. This
That's
is
my belief. Okay, मेरा जो ये फंडा होता है, please understand.
guitars are alive for me. Okay, when you play something, you get a feeling, and sometimes, like, if there is feeling in that instrument, that's enough for me. Like, that's what will make the music. It's not about what sounds exactly perfect. All guitars that are this expensive sound fantastic, and you can always EQ and do things on production. But if it has the vibes, it has the vibes. That's all that it has. That did. I felt instantly. I literally was thinking about it, like I can feel like there's songs inside the guitar. This is perfect. That's it.
Okay.
So it's 10,000%. That is exactly the kind of Martin I've always wanted. I can't imagine कितना काम किया होगा तूने इसके लिए.
और घर में वो डेकोरेशन वगैरह सब देखे थे.
I was like, what is happening? मेरे को लगा सब नीचे होंगे, बैठे होंगे, चिल कर रहे होंगे.
पूरा घर खाली था.
हाँ, मैं बोले पता है ना इनको मेरा बर्थडे. Okay, everybody.
ये देखो कार्टून बना के रखा हुआ है.
This topi was the clue.
बम्बल भी बना के रखा हुआ है.
It's nice. It's the most iconic one. Let's jump up. There is nothing in between.
Love you बाबू. कब 30 का हो गया मुझे पता ही नहीं चला. तंग कर करके मेरा एक मिनट जो था मुझे लगता था साल है, लेकिन 30 हो गए. God bless you. Here's to 100 more.
Yes.
Love you बाबू.
130 थोड़ा सा.
I think 70 more.
If 30 looks like this, then I'm very happy that I'm 30.
But most kiddish birthday, no?
Lovely.
Treasure hunt the kid that you are.
Yeah.
She said it, huh? Not me.
I love
You
this.
might regret.
सोच समझ के बोला करो बेटा, सोच समझ के बोला करो.
Okay.
So, that's
Let's-
the guitar.
Let's play it again.
Okay.
This sounds too nice. So good.
Happy birthday. Yay! May your wish come true. May all your wishes come true.
So guys, I have had the greatest birthday and I've had the best gift जो मुझे कभी जिंदगी में I don't have words anymore. So we're going to do a little group hug. Everybody come.
Happy birthday.
Love you all. Thank you guys. I'm sure you all are going to wish me happy birthday. I hope.
उम्मीद है कि 30 साल के बाद उसको थोड़ी अक्ल भी आ
अक्कल आ जाएगी.
We'll
But
try.
don't change, Ari. We love you the way
Okay,
you are.
this is very confusing instructions. Not to change, but also to be smarter. I don't know. I love you guys. Thank you. I love you guys. Thank you.
And today we will not say like, share, subscribe. Today we will say live,
Love, enjoy.
Yeah, man. Love it. Thank you guys. Take care. See you in the next one. Oh my God, we're still doing London vlogs. What's happening? Oh my God.